Hi guys, welcome to SAP FICO Mastery. If you're new to the SAP, you want to know the major concepts and key functionalities, this video helpful for you. What is SAP FICO? SAP FICO stands for Financial Accounting and Controlling, and this is a key module for managing financial transactions and reporting and cost control. It helps business track financial status in real time. It is integrated with SAP MMSD, HR, and end-to-end business process. In the enterprise structure, like business company code, business area, and controlling operating concern, this is part of enterprise structure. Financial accounting in FI module like general ledger accounting. In the general ledger accounting, chart of account, fiscal year posting is a GL transaction, document posting is come under general ledger. And accounts payable, vendor master data, invoice processing, payment processing, automatic payment, this will come under accounts payable. In the accounts receivable, customer master data, incoming payments and dunning process, reminder for unpaid invoices, this will come under accounts payable, accounts receivable. Asset accounting, fixed asset, asset management, depreciation runs, this will come under asset accounting. And bank accounting in the bank reconciliation, electronic bank statements, these come under bank accounting. And in, integration with other modules like MM, SD, HR, PP, PM, these will come under all integrated with FI module. In the controlling model like call center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, product costing, and profitability analysis, this part of the controlling model. These are the major key concepts of for FI model. Thank you.